So in this video, I will show you how to fix copyright claim on TikTok. So the step to fix a copyright claim on TikTok, all you have to do now, after you open up your TikTok like this, now tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now tap on this settings and privacy. Under the settings and privacy, now tap on this section, the first option which says account, tap on it, account. So after you open this account, all you have to do now is scroll to down and tap on this where it says switch to personal account. So after you tap on this switch to personal account, just make sure to switch your account to personal account. The reason why TikTok gives you copyright claim is because you are using business account. So when using business account, you must use anything that is legal, anything that is your own originally. You can't use someone content on your TikTok account since your account is business account. So make sure just to switch it to personal account. After you switch to personal account, so now you sub the copyright claim on your TikTok videos or on your TikTok account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.